Good evening friends. Today I bring for you all two refreshing drinks, Pomogranat Moijito and Mint Moijito. So let's start how we make this. For Pomogranat Moijito we need 2 cups of pomegranate and blend it in a mixer grinder to make out a pulp. And this pulp we will strain with the help of a strainer to take out a nice juice. Strain it nicely. Our juice is ready and these seeds, if you want anadana, you just rinse it under the tap water and dry it in the sun. You will get homemade anadana at home. Our fresh pomegranate juice is ready. Now let's start making our mojito. In a glass, I put few mint leaves, 2 pieces of lime, and with the help of a muddler, we crush lime and mint in the glass like this. Now add half teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and few ice cubes. Then add half cup of pomegranate juice, half tablespoon of powdered sugar, it's totally optional, and top up with soda. You can top up with normal water also. Now mix it up. Our fresh pomegranate mojito is ready with no added color and no preservatives. Garnish with lemon slices. Now our drink is ready. Enjoy with your family with this refreshing pomegranate mojito. Let's start how to make mint mojito. For mint mojito, I have taken 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. I transfer it to a jar. 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half teaspoon of black salt, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. This gives very amazing flavor to the drink. A pinch of ginger powder. Now I add a cup of plain soda, few ice cubes, and we blend all these ingredients in the blender. Our mint juice is ready. Now what we do, we take glasses. I have taken few mint leaves, roughly crush them with hands and put it in the glass. Now add lemon slices. Now I will add half cup of mint juice in both the glasses, few ice cubes. Now I add plain soda. You can add 7-Up, Sprite, any drink of your choice. Now I will mix the drink, garnish with lemon slices and mint leaves. Our mint mojito is ready to drink. This is so refreshing, so yummy, so delicious. Try it at home, enjoy with your friends and family. And if you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So for now, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.